Welcome. This is QuantumEdge Dynamics. We build the disciplined decision infrastructure for the intelligent economy. 5 divisions, 20-plus years of leadership, 24/7 operations, and greater than 99.9% uptime. Intelligence, infrastructure, and capital, all subordinate to discipline.
QuantumEdge Dynamics is a holding company. In plain terms, we design and construct AI data centers. We rent sovereign-grade GPU compute. We run a quantum research program. We engineer digital products. And we operate an internal algorithmic trading desk that proves the architecture works under live market conditions. Technically, we deliver disciplined decision infrastructure for high-stakes environments, with constitutional governance, cryptographic audit trails, and enterprise-grade security.
Our thesis is simple. AI is now infrastructure, and the winners will own the rails, not just the apps. 3 forces are converging: compute scarcity, sovereign nations and enterprises are racing for GPU capacity, the governance gap, AI outputs are powerful but unaccountable, and quantum readiness. Post-quantum cryptography is moving from labs to procurement. QuantumEdge sits at the intersection of all 3.
5 divisions, 1 operating thesis. QED Infrastructure delivers EPC for AI data centers and quantum labs. QED Cloud provides H100 and H200 GPU compute with guaranteed EU data residency. QED Quantum drives algorithm research and Horizon Europe partnerships. QED Digital engineers web, mobile, and native applications. And QED Capital runs internal proprietary trading, the live proof point of the architecture. QED infrastructure is purpose-built for the intelligent era. We deliver engineering, procurement, and construction for AI data centers and quantum R&D facilities, for governments, enterprises, and research institutions. From feasibility and MEP design to cryogenic-ready build-outs to sovereign corridors aligned with national policy. EU grant-ready, government-grade documentation, operational transition included. Our delivery process is institutional grade. 5 disciplined phases: discovery and feasibility, design and engineering, procurement, construction and commissioning, and handover to operations. Audit ready from day 1. Every milestone documented. Every handover institutional grade. QED Cloud delivers GPU compute that is EU sovereign by design. NVIDIA H100 and H200 class hardware with guaranteed European data residency for AI training, inference, and sovereign workloads. 3 offerings: on-demand GPU rental for enterprise and academic clients, GDPR and NIS2 compliant sovereign compute with dedicated isolation, and single-tenant bare metal with custom RDMA and InfiniBand interconnects. QED Quantum is research at the edge of physics, algorithm development, cryogenic instrumentation, and academic partnerships, building the applied quantum capability of tomorrow. Quantum algorithms for portfolio optimization and cryptographic protocols. Cryogenic R&D for dilution refrigerators and noise reduction. Active participation in Horizon Europe quantum programs, and structured joint IP development with research universities.
QED Digital engineers digital products for scale. Web platforms on React, Next.js, and TypeScript. Responsive mobile experiences engineered for accessibility and performance. native and cross-platform applications on Swift, Kotlin, and React Native, and full product engineering, from system design to API integration to DevOps pipelines, built for governance and longevity.
QED Capital is the live proof point of our architecture, an internal proprietary trading operation, running our own capital on our own infrastructure, governed by our own decision layer. Critical disclosure: QED Capital does not manage external capital and is not an investment service. It exists to validate the platform under real market conditions, 24/7.
CipherHawk is our flagship governance product. It is the validation layer that sits between AI models and any high-stakes decision. CipherHawk synthesizes outputs from multiple frontier models, applies our constitutional rule set, and produces a single rule-validated decision with a cryptographic audit trail. No AI output reaches a high-stakes environment without passing through it.
Under CipherHawk sits our governed AI service bus. 4 frontier models are orchestrated in parallel. Kimi for long context reasoning, Perplexity for live web grounding and citation, DeepSeek for quantitative pattern recognition, and Claude for nuanced synthesis and instruction following. CipherHawk arbitrates across them, scores agreement, and gates the final output.
Governance is the moat. 3 pillars: a constitutional rule layer that no AI decision bypasses, cryptographic audit trails for every action, and enterprise security stack with AES 256 encryption and SHA 256 integrity, sub-second decision gate latency, immutable audit. This is what regulated industries and sovereign clients require, and it is built in, not bolted on.
Our leadership brings 20-plus years across cloud, fintech, and capital markets. Rule Ahmed, Chief Executive Officer. Strategic direction and executive execution across cloud infrastructure, ERP, healthcare IT, and fintech. Ike Ozparka, Chief Financial Officer. 2 decades across investment banking, asset management, and AI-integrated financial systems. Sami Sadiq, Chief Technology Officer. Solution Architect across BI, cloud integration, and governed AI architecture. And Zia Tunser, Director of Investor Relations. 3 decades of international business leadership across operations, cross-border trade, and strategic growth.
Why QuantumEdge? We are a vertically integrated operator, not a single product vendor. Full stack, we design the building, install the GPUs, write the software, govern the decisions, and run it live with our own capital. EU sovereign by design. Governance first across every division. And a live proof point. QED Capital runs the architecture under real market conditions 24/7. 2 ways to work with QuantumEdge. For partners and clients, direct engagement across infrastructure EPC, GPU rental, sovereign hosting, research partnerships, and product engineering. For investors, a vertically integrated AI infrastructure holding company with 5 revenue-generating divisions, institutional governance from day 1, and a direct line to our Director of Investor Relations, Zia Tunser. Let us build something significant. General inquiries, info@qeddynamics.io. Direct to the CEO, ruhul@qeddynamics.io. America's headquarters in Tampa, Florida. MENA office in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. We respond to qualified inquiries within 48 business hours.
QuantumEdge Dynamics, Intelligence, Infrastructure, Capital, all subordinate to discipline. Thank you.